Most car mounts fail in one of three ways. They fall off, they don't hold your phone steady, or they're just frustrating to use. So I wanted to see if this one fixes all of that. And I even tried something and got a result that I didn't expect at all. A big thanks to ANDERY for sponsoring this video. Let's see how their MagSafe Car Mount performs. So today I'm going to unbox it, install it in my car, then test it out in real driving conditions. So let's go ahead and open it. For the sake of time, I'm going to speed up the video as I go so that you can see everything in the box. There's a smaller box with several accessories. This is the mount itself with a design that looks solid but simple. Now inside the smaller box, there are a few items in here. One is a mounting adhesive pad. If you have a rough textured dashboard and your mount doesn't stay securely in place, then you can use this. Inside the bag, there's an optional conversion locator tool to help you center the adhesive metal ring to your phone or case for anyone who doesn't have a MagSafe device. There's also a set of wet and dry wipes intended for installation of the adhesive pad if you need it. It also includes a straightforward, easy-to-read instruction manual. The mount itself folds flat, has a nice carbon fiber design, has a very strong magnetic grip, and with a shake test in hand, the phone does not fall off. It rotates 360 degrees and has a base with a nano gel that's designed to adhere to most dashboards and any windshield. There's one issue that I always test for. The car mount itself cannot leave any sticky residue behind or do any damage to the dashboard. Now let's get this installed. Installation is easy, no tools necessary. I just use a damp microfiber cloth to ensure the area is dust-free. Then place the base in exactly the spot you want it, press it down firmly, rotate the base a quarter turn so that it suctions to the dash and it locks into position. Then notice how easy it is to make adjustments with this 360-degree swivel base, which is tight and secure. The MagSafe mount is easy to move into position you like, then you're ready to go. Now let's actually see how it performs on the road. So far, no movement. It's staying in place really well. Even going over bumps, it's not shaking or dropping. And you can adjust the angle pretty easily to get a better viewing position. And that's really what you want. Now for the ultimate test, let's remove it to see if it causes any damage or leaves a sticky residue. Let's rotate the base in the opposite direction, pull up on the pull tab. It's really stuck tight. But there it is, no sticky residue or damage. Now one thing I didn't expect, this actually isn't limited to the car. Because of the suction strength, I tried it on the bathroom mirror and it holds great. It's a perfect place to watch those YouTube tip videos while you're getting ready. So after using it, here's what stands out. It's simple, it's strong, and it just works. If you've ever dealt with a car mount that constantly falls off or doesn't hold your phone steady, this is a noticeable upgrade. It reminds me that the little things you fix in your daily routine make the biggest difference over time. If you want to check it out, I have a link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.